And this time we set the price. They took our ore and returned it as empire. They took our crude and returned it as currency. They took our cocoa and returned it as luxury. But that chapter is closing. In the lithium fields of Zimbabwe, the rocks are no longer rushing to foreign furnaces. They are learning to transform at home into battery, into industry. Raw material is vulnerability, finished product is power. We are building refineries, not just mines. We are discovering that sovereignty is not isolation. It is negotiation through strength. We will no longer sell cocoa beans and import chocolate. We will determine quality, supply, and determine the price. Yes, the price. The world market is not a god, it is a table. And we are pulling up a chair. Through the corridors of the African Continental Free Trade Area, we are stitching our markets together so that trade first circulates like blood within our own body. Equal does not mean aggressive. Equal means respected. Equal means contracts that are balanced. Equal means partnership without plunder. We are not anti-global, we are anti-extraction without transformation.